Hi everybody, here with the Scott Master. We're going to take a look at my Clinton Lawn Mower engine that was off of one of my old Clinton Lawn Mowers that I took apart. This motor is actually really nice. It's a 2-stroke. It runs really good. Went through the carburetor, as you can see. Everything's just basically small like that. Go around, show you the back. We'll see if I can start it up here for you so you can hear it run. Start straight up, runs real good. Gotta love them 2-strokes and that smell. We'll catch you on the lake. See you later, the Scott Master.